we are going to butterfly a pork loin. I already did one. This is my second one. I don't know where you get them, if they come in 2 packs or not, but I always do. We're gonna butterfly this baby. Now we are going to beat our meat. I know you were told when you were younger that beating your meat's not a good thing. They lied. Look at this. See what you got right there? Look at this. Flatten that baby out. Anyway, here we go. Ready? Next step. Cream cheese. Spread that out. I got to put back in the fridge. It's not as soft as it was, so it's not as easy to deal with, but we're going to make it work. What? Woman? Oh, I should probably turn off the dishwasher. Sorry, America. America watch me. America loves me. Cheese down. What's my favorite? All right. It's all flavor, right? Okay, bacon. All that bacon there. Bacon's the mother of all evils. Alright, here we go. We're gonna now wrap this in bacon. Bacon makes everything better. Actually have to season this stuff. Season this baby. This is some cayenne pepper, regular pepper, salt, some granulated garlic. Okay, we're gonna put the pork loins on. Look at those aliens. We're gonna cook out some aliens. There you go. 1. 2. Right, we're gonna let those things cook. Keeping everything around 225. And we're gonna cook those for probably 2.5 hours. Get them off. I'm gonna then end up send them out for a little while to, actually cool down. Put them in the fridge tonight. Same thing with the actual the pork ribs. I'm gonna take those out, put them in the fridge tonight. We're gonna keep the brisket smoking all night. All right, look at those bacon wrapped pork loins. Those things look great. I can't wait to eat those. We're gonna let them rest for a little while. I'll probably have to just stick them in one of these other smokers just on real low just to keep them warm. Because the party's not for a few more hours, so not time to eat yet.
And I'm a smart ass. You're a dumb ass. And I'm a dumb ass. So just shut up and cook the damn food.